Kung hinihintay mo pa yung perfect time, stop. Real talk. Walang perfect schedule, walang perfect mood, meron lang ngayon. You have a phone, you have skills, you have time. Kahit pa kaunti lang yan. Use that. Halimbawa, gusto mong mag-start ng small business, walang malaking puhunan. So what? Post one item today. Message one buyer. Learn habang gumagalaw ka. Gusto mong mag-aral ulit, busy ka. Same tayo. So read 5 pages. Watch one short video. Progress yan. Minsan kasi iniisip mo, kulang pa ako. Pero sa totoo lang, yung meron ka ngayon, sapat para sa next step. The moment na tumigil ka sa paghahantay at simulan mong gamitin yung hawak mo, may shift. Hindi magic. It's called motion. And yes, may sablay. And it's normal. You just need to adjust. So today, do one small thing. Hindi bukas ngayon. Promise. When you move, life responds. Ayos?